And as you can tell, today's the 4th of July. We already got some fireworks going off. So I got my back ribs and I got my loins, and I like to coat them with different things each time I cook, just to give a little bit of a difference. So I'm coating the loins with the pit barrel cooker rub, and I'm coating back ribs with Stubbs rub. This is just some of the trim here. Okay, now we got those rubbed. I'm gonna do mustard. Just coat it real good. Okay, so we'll wait for the pit to come up to temp, and then we'll hang these. Thrashed over. So we'll put these in. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours and 20 minutes. On these ribs, I'm going to pull these and wrap them, and then finish them off on the grate. So I'll show you here. They look like a little bit of pullback, but not a whole lot. Loins. Okay, I'm not gonna put anything in here. There's not really a whole lot of need to put in apple juice or butter or anything like that. Okay, so we'll come back and take a look at these again in an hour, hour and a half. Okay, so they've been wrapped for an hour. Total cook time about 3 hours and 20 minutes. So let's see how they look. I don't know why I got that. This looks pretty good. Look tender. Oops. Pull them back pretty easily. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull these, and then I'm just going to grate them. You can see the bend there. Peel them back. Not everybody likes them fall off the bone. Personally, I do, but you know, everybody has their own way of doing it. All right, let's throw these back on for another 15 minutes or half hour. Alright, so these have been on the grate unwrapped for about 30 minutes. They look good, so I'm going to pull them and let them sit for about 10-15 minutes. Alright, so this has been resting about 15 minutes. And as you can tell, today's the 4th of July. We already got some fireworks going off. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to bring this a little closer to you. I'm going to pull some of these ribs. This is the back ribs. And you can tell there, those pull real easily. And these are the loin ribs. And the bone comes out of that real easy. So let me try some of this here first. These loin ribs. It's hot still. Those are really good. Most of the times when I've cooked on this, I've loved the chicken. I love pretty much everything I've made except for ribs. But I really like wrapping these. They're a little bit tough if you don't, at least the ones I've made. So I can't complain with these though. These are kind of pull off the bone. They're not fall off. Yeah, those are perfect. So I did 2 hours and 20 minutes hanging, an hour wrapped, and 20 to 30 minutes on. Hey, what are you eating?
Ribs.
Ribs, yep.
Ribs.
Yep. Are they good?
This is Mommy's plate.
No, Mommy's plate's over there.
This is your plate.
My plate's right here. Are you worried about me getting some? Yeah. I think I made enough for all of us.
Yeah.
Mmm. So it's Independence Day. It's 1,000 degrees out today, so there's no better way to finish it off than with a beer. I appreciate everybody watching. If you like these cooking videos, if you want to see deer hunting, habitat management, things of that nature, then be sure to click that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think or what you want to see. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching, and tap that bell for notifications. Thanks.